Crooked Bangladeshi man sentenced for obtaining false South African ID. News 24, 27 June 2024. A Bangladeshi man who fraudulently acquired a South African identity document, ID, and passport, further aiding his partner to obtain the same documents, was sentenced to 3 years direct imprisonment. The Kroonstad Magistrates Court sentenced crook Saddam Hussain, 22, on Monday, 4 June, after finding him guilty of fraud and contravention of Immigration Act charges. The fraudster's sentencing was a result of probing by the Bethlehem Hawks, Serious Corruption Investigation Team and the Free State Department of Home Affairs, which uncovered Hussain was involved in more fraudulent ID acts. Compelling evidence saw the court sentence Hussain to effective 3 years imprisonment for identity theft and a fine of R2 for contravention of the Immigration Act or 8 months imprisonment. The court also declared Hussain unfit to possess a firearm, said W.O. Fikiswa Matoti, provincial spokesperson for the Hawks. She said probing uncovered that Hussain fraudulently obtained a South African ID and passport, using the details of a South African person. She said the investigation was launched in April this year based on prima facie evidence of Hussain's involvement in fraudulent documents. The investigations discovered that Hussain fraudulently obtained a South African ID and passport under the name of Sibusiso Ntamo. In April, Hussain and his partner were arrested at the Bethlehem Home Affairs for allegedly aiding and abetting another foreign national to obtain a South African ID, said Matoti. She said compelling evidence against the accused include a report stating that on 15th of May, Hussain applied for a smart ID card and passport at the Kroonstad Home Affairs, claiming to have lost both his ID and passport, said Matoti. Matoti said their probing uncovered that Hussain tried to fraudulently secure essential South African documents, smart ID and passport. In May, the court released him and his partner on a warning in April. She said the warning against Hussain and his partner included a pending investigation by the Hawks and Provincial Department of Home Affairs. The Home Affairs Counter-Corruption Unit alerted the Hawks, and a trap operation was conducted at the Kroonstad Home Affairs after Hussain confirmed the collection of a smart ID card and passport on 27 May. He was arrested before collecting his fraudulent documents, culminating with his conviction and sentencing, said Matoti.